Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're going up on a Tuesday. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, there he is. There's a mirror. Going up. Whoa. While Spider-Man skills activate. Spider-Man skills. Whew. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, that's why. Let's go. Okay, guys. Whoa, you see how big that is? It's not as big on the phone, but it's very big. Oh, I'm looking at it. Okay, keep on going. Oh, crap. Let's go. We're going up. I don't think there's any more trail from here.
You just have to wait and see, won't you, buddy?
Yeah. Whew. Such a beautiful view. Oh. This is going to be so awesome. And there he is. I'll meet you a little bit up. I'll wait for you up here. I'm not going that far. Okay, next marker over here. As you can see, we're pretty high up. Wait a second, guys. I need to tie this. There we go. It's all tied. My jacket's around my waist, if you were wondering what I was tying. It was like very loose. Zoom in on these mountains. The good thing is I have shade over here, so I can just like zoom in all the mountains without you having trouble seeing them. And that one right there, man. You want me to zoom out? That one right there. That one right there. Those are the ones I'm closest to right now. There he is. He's coming. So where's the mirror? Come on, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's go up. Let's go. Oh, we're going up on a Tuesday. Oh, Spider-Man skills activate. Oh yeah, pro skills. 2 MLG for you. Let's go. Oh. Here we are. Whew. Just wait it out a little bit. Okay, we're going. Let's go. Okay, we're going. Oh, here we are. We're going up. over here. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this here. Bye.